Hi, in this video, I'll show you disable the Gemini app on your Android phone. If you don't use Gemini or simply want to stop it from running, follow these simple steps to turn it off safely. Step 1. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Settings app. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of the screen and tapping the gear icon in the Quick Settings panel. Step 2. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find apps or apps and notifications depending on your Android version. Tap on it to view the complete list of installed applications on your device. Step 3. Scroll through the list until you locate the Gemini app. If you have many apps installed, tap the search or magnifying glass icon at the top of the screen and type Gemini to find it more quickly. Step 4. Tap on Gemini to open its app info page. Here you'll see several options, including storage, permissions, notifications, battery usage, and other app settings. Step 5. Scroll if necessary and look for the disable or turn off button near the bottom of the screen. Tap it to continue. If this option is unavailable, your device may not allow the app to be disabled. Step 6. A confirmation message will appear explaining that disabling the app may cause it to stop working and restore it to its factory version. Tap Disable app to confirm your decision. That's it. The Gemini app is now disabled on your Android phone. If you ever want to use it again, simply return to the same app info page and tap Enable. Thanks for watching.